As summer continues, the transformation of North Penn High School is becoming impossible to miss. If you've driven past campus recently, you've probably had a double take. Places that generations of students, families, and alumni know by heart are changing almost daily, and nowhere is that more evident than APOD. Inside APOD, demolition and environmental abatement are moving steadily forward as crews prepare the space for its next chapter. Hallways, classrooms, and even the familiar A33 are in the process of being demolished, creating room for a completely reimagined academic space. On the outside, new firewalls are taking shape, underground utilities are being installed, and the infrastructure that will support the building for decades to come is now going in beneath the surface. While it may not look like much from the outside just yet, this is the foundation for the future of North Penn High School. One of the most noticeable changes is happening just beyond the main building. The steel framework for the new transportation center is now standing tall, giving everyone their first real look at the modern facility that will soon serve our transportation department. What was once an open construction site is quickly becoming a recognizable building, marking another major milestone in this multi-year project. Nearby, the roof over the new propane fueling station is also nearing completion. It may seem like a small detail, but will make a big difference for our transportation staff, providing shelter on those rainy days when buses need to be topped off before heading out on their routes. Meanwhile, work continues throughout KPOD as crews prepare the first floor to welcome students and staff back at the end of August. New classroom casework, ceilings, lighting, flooring, mechanical systems, technology, and security infrastructure are all being installed. The administrative offices and nurses suite continue to take shape with the new entrances, ductwork, utilities, and finished walls. Visitors will also notice another highly visible change as the large windows in the primary KPOD stairwell are now being replaced, bringing more natural light and a fresh, modern appearance to one of the building's most recognizable spaces. In the natatorium, the old scoreboard has been removed and preparations are underway for a brand new display. To support construction during the upcoming school year, crews are also creating additional temporary classrooms within the IMC. As part of that work, a large portion of the library collection has been carefully relocated to an off-site storage facility. Don't worry, those books remain available to students and staff and can still be requested and checked out whenever they're needed. Ensuring access to library resources continues throughout construction. Looking ahead, the new curtain walls will soon be installed in KPOD, classroom finishes will continue, and furniture is scheduled to arrive beginning August 17th. Every day brings another visible change, and each improvement is bringing us closer to a modern, state-of-the-art high school that will serve North Penn students for generations. That is your July 2026 North Penn High School construction update.